If you want a clean product photo with a white background for websites like Amazon, watch this tutorial until the end. Make a copy of the main layer. Choose one of the selection tools. I'm going to use the Object Selection tool. Select your subject and add a layer mask. You can turn off the visibility of the layer below and create a white layer to see your selection better. I'm going to zoom in to check the details. As you can see, the edges are not selected correctly. We need a sharp, clean selection, so I'm going to make the background layer visible again and use the pen tool to trace around the subject. This is perfect. Right-click and choose Make Selection. Hit OK. Now on the mask, you can refine the edges using a black or white brush. Black to remove unwanted areas, and white to add them back. Press Ctrl and Shift and I to inverse the selection. There are some issues here too, do the same thing. Don't worry, we can fix it later. You can hold Alt and click on an anchor point to adjust the curve handles. This lets you control the direction and angle of the curve at that point. You can also move an anchor point by holding Ctrl. It's okay if you lose a few pixels. It actually helps to have a cleaner selection. Right-click again and choose Make Selection. Press Ctrl and Shift and I to inverse the selection. Press X to swap the brush color. Press Ctrl and D to deselect. Alright, that's a perfect selection. We're more than halfway through. Sites like Amazon require a square image, so we're going to resize the canvas using the crop tool. The aspect ratio should be 1:1. That looks good, hit enter. You can reposition the subject anytime if needed. As you can see, we now need to correct the color and lighting of the subject. I'm going to go to Adjustments and choose Levels. Be careful not to overexpose it. You can also use curves, or any other adjustment you prefer. There's some unwanted color here. I'm going to fix that with hue and saturation. Press Ctrl and I to inverse the mask. Go to the subject's layer mask, hold Ctrl and click on it to reload the selection. Then use a white brush to paint over the areas you want to remove the color cast from. Here's the before and after. It looks perfect. The last step is to add a shadow to make it look more natural. Add a new layer below the subject layer. Using a soft black brush, start painting the shadow like this. Decrease the layer opacity to get a realistic shadow. And that's it. A clean product photo for Amazon with a white background and a natural shadow, in just a few simple steps. Here's the before and after. To adjust the final size, go to the image menu and choose image size. Change the unit to pixels and set the dimensions to 2000 by 2000 pixels. Click OK. Now you can export it and use it anywhere you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.